What's up, everybody? Quick question. Do you think the drink package on Norwegian Cruise Lines is worth it? Alright, so unlimited drink package comes in a couple of forms, depends on the ship you're on, but I'm going to give you a very quick answer. Yes, it is worth it. The reason why, the drink package actually will be the #1 thing that'll keep you from having to worry about spending money on your trip. Food's already included, but with the drink package, it's basically just go where you want, order whatever you want. Anything up to $15 on the Norwegian Epic is actually included. So even a lot of your restaurants, any wine you would want to order that's reasonably cost, or any of your specialty blended beverages, or even specialty mixed handcrafted beverages are included. So is the drink package worth it? Absolutely.